idea which I think can help us keep our national river clean. So I take the example of Ganga, which is one of the major river of India. It serves around 40% of the population and provides water to around 11 states. But today Ganga is in danger. The reason are these factories and the households. The factories directly dump waste in the form of chemicals, pesticides, and all in the Ganga. The households dump the sewage, untreated sewage, directly into the Ganga. So this is a continuously happening over a last decade or past 2 3 decades, and this has made Ganga totally inappropriate for drinking purposes or as a river to provide life to marine and all other living beings. So how we can cure it actually? So the suggestion that I think that can help us to cure it is by making channels. We can build these small channels near to Ganga. So these small channels will be at a certain distance from Ganga and also will be at a certain depth. Now, how these channels can help us? Let's take an example. Now, the Ganga we take, its water is totally pure. So, we'll be pumping some water from Ganga to these channels. And these channels, being at a lower depth, they will also be using gravity. We can also pass some water to these channels. Now, instead of dumping all the waste directly to Ganga, we dump this to these channels. All the sewage and all this chemical waste we dump to these channels. Now what happens is Ganga remains clean and the waste that is dumped in these channels continuously moves forward as the Ganga moves forward. We continuously dump water into these channels so that the waste does not get stagnant at a point and it continuously moves forward. Second thing is we can also employ many waste treatments at these some points so that we can again purify water from these channels and put it back to Ganga and put it back to Ganga. So I hope you may like this idea and please share, and if you have any suggestions please provide in the comment box so that we can together make our national rivers, our rivers clean and suitable and living so that marine life, human life, and everybody live in peace and harmony. Thank you.